So hi everyone, welcome back once again to daily job saving series. Today we are going to share you a couple of openings, which is we are going to start with the freshers, right? So let me quickly start. So this is a disclaimer, which means whatever job needs you're going to apply, just authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be a part of any scam, right? Now let's get started. So this is for the experienced person. After that, I'm going to say it for the freshers. So this one, 3 to 12 years of experience, right? Application security testing. Qualities Babsuit, SAST and DAST, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai base is the location, hybrid and key responsibilities is what you can see here. This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now the next opening is basically for the L2 in Palo Alto Technology, which is in Madurai. So these are the required skills, right? You can see here, and the other things which is where you can send a resume, right? SCL Tech is the company name. Now next opening is Cybersecurity Analyst, SOC Analyst L2. This is 100% remote work from India, US based client, and the other things you can see here. This is the link on which you can fill out the form for the resume, right? Next one is someone is looking for VAPT intern. This is from where you can apply, right? And it's in Rajasthan, Jaipur, right? So you can see here. Meanwhile, if you're looking for any training come internship program, you can check out this URL. Trust me, guys, this is going to change your life. Anyways, next opening is basically in Dubai. This is cybersecurity continuity specialist. It's in the, here you can see the details, right? That's what we have. Thank you very much for watching. This is TCI. By the way, we have just made our channel active, Cyber Coffee. So just check out the video at Cyber Coffee. We have bring something very amazing. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.